Do, 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 do. All right, everybody. All right. Okay. So we are going to do for a company called Clear Result, a remote customer support agent. This is a full-time job. It was just posted today, which is, today is Tuesday. So, today that I'm recording it is the 2nd. So you're going to see this on the 3rd. They are remote in most of these states. I think there's a total of 19 locations. And what you're going to get is medical, dental, and vision insurance, 401k with a company match, paid vacation, sick time, and PTO. There is an employee recognition, so you can use recognition points for gift cards, on-demand training. This position is remote and can be located anywhere in the U.S. So the support specialist is a sales and service position with a primary focus on making sure they help their customers save energy and money without sacrificing comfort. Now you've got to be friendly, professional, and very interested in people, not, but ask those probing questions. Oh, thank you for calling today, Mr. Smith. I can see in your account that blah, 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 blah. So you will be doing both inbound and outbound calls to existing and current customers. So there are daily, weekly, and monthly sales targets. You should be able to make outbound calls for retention and offer plans to customers. You should receive inbound calls, talk to people about their energy plans. You should be discreet and confidential. Now, they do want you to have like a call center experience, sales experience, have a how can I help you attitude. This is a fast-paced environment, so if you don't want calls one after the other, then this is not for you. You need to have a high attendance reliability, and they are an equal opportunity employer. If you are interested in this position, it'll be linked down below. But let me tell you about another position that I have, and that is with Liveops. Liveops contracts with 1099 individuals, which means they don't pay your benefits and they don't pay your taxes. And if you're looking for just a little bit of a side hustle, or if you want to work more than one client for a full-time main gig, you can definitely do that with Liveops. I will have their link down below. They pay differently according to the client that you select. And you are able to select and change clients. If one client isn't for you and you want to do another client, then that's just fine. It's real easy. They do pay twice a month, and like I said, it varies. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you next time.